So here we are, a little round 2 of this. I just got an Amazon package in. I've always been like a big sunglass girl, like the frames. I just love big sunglasses, like aviators, but I'm trying to be a fashion girl, trendy girl, I guess. And so I'm trying out these smaller sunglasses. So I got these from Amazon. They remind me of the Lay Spec brand. I don't know if that's how you say it. These were like $9 from Amazon. They probably would look better without a hat, but I think I like them. I'll keep them. Today is Friday, and I'm gonna take you guys along on a day off in the life. I know we do like a day in the life, but this is my day off from work. Well guys, this whole morning has not gone as expected. I got to Starbucks and I went in because the line was long, and I locked my key in my car. Luckily, my husband has my spare key, so sorry, it's like really loud with all these cars. So he came and my spare key literally didn't work. We went and bought a new battery, everything over here at Target. It didn't work, so I'm calling a locksmith, and they're like, okay, he'll call you whenever he's on his way. I keep trying to call this locksmith guy, and it literally picks up. He goes hello, and then it hangs up. Like, I'm not even kidding, I've called him 35 times. Same with the company. Like, I've called the locksmith company like 35 times, and the same thing is happening. I try to call a different one, same thing happened. I'm just like, what is going on? So at this point, I'm just leaving my car, and I'm gonna get my husband's car, and I don't really know when I'm gonna get my car at this point, because I really don't want to spend any more of my day off dealing with this. Guys, I got in. It's 1 p.m. and that all started at literally 9:30. Okay, got my outfit for the afternoon, evening on, pulled it together. So I just have these Jordan like wide leg sweats with my platform Uggs, just like a tight black t-shirt. And then I did my hair kind of girly, like I've got this like not girly outfit on, and then kind of little girly little half up bow situation going on. So can I get a medium-sized cold brew with sugar-free vanilla? And you guys don't have heavy cream, right?
No, sorry. We do have regular creams, half and half.
Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah.
What's the plan today?
I'm going to do hot yoga, so that's why I need coffee.
Nice.
And I'm gonna go to the football game.
Don't you think coffee will dehydrate you for hot yoga?
Yeah, I have electrolyte water as well, so.
You're going to the game though?
Yep.
That's gonna be awesome.
For football
awesome.
after.
The Eclipse is out right now if you got Eclipse classes.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's
No.
an Eclipse today.
Oh, I had no idea.
Really?
Yeah. Tennessee.
Tennessee.
That's where I'm from.
Really? Born and raised?
Yep.
What part?
Nashville.
Nice. That's like the best part to be from.
Yeah. Oh my god, why was he so nice? They're always so nice at Dutch Bros, except I'm like, I gotta go. I can't be talking. quick little outfit for the game. Just something super casual. Little hat. Shoving pizza in my mouth. I'm running out the door. Go Utes.
Okay, guys,
We're back.
we're back with a brand new edition.
A food review.
Food
First
review.
time trying it.
Target at 8 o'clock at night.
After Texas Roadhouse.
After Texas Roadhouse.
Scarecrow Crunch.
Scarecrow Crunch.
Ready?
Dive on in. Sorry, yellow light. Nope, no pour.
Okay.
Gotta get a handful. Oof. Check out that handful. Ooh, good, good.
You only got like 2 things in it.
I know. Well, that's luck of the draw. Mmm, my butter.
Butter.
Butter, butter. Mmm.
It all isn't muddy buddies.
Yeah, I'm good with it.
With just some randomness in there. Good though. What do you give it?
I give it a solid 9.2.
I'd agree. I say 9 out of 10.
9.2. 9.2.
Yeah, I'm going 9.
Just 9 straight up?
Yep.
Okay. Join us
you
next
next
time
time.
as we review some more good finds.
Sometimes love is really strong. Moving like a wave.
Good morning. Happy Sunday. Just getting ready to hopefully go to church. If not, we'll just watch it at home. My husband is at a recruit breakfast, so yeah, I didn't really film much last night. I was just feeling a little down. Some days I have a love-hate relationship with my husband's job, which probably a lot of people can say. It's just a lot. I don't think people really kind of understand what all goes into being a college coach. It is just a lot of time, more than a normal job. Like mine is an hourly job and I get paid by the hour. And you know, you can only work 40 hours in a week. That is not how this goes. I mean, you're working so much. And it brings so many cool things. It's such a cool experience. But you kind of miss out on a lot. It just gets kind of lonely, especially being somewhere where you don't really know a lot of people. So it's not all glamorous. It is super fun and a really cool and unique lifestyle. And again, there are parts that I really love, but there are parts that are really hard, as with probably a professional athlete's wife. So part of me creating this channel and kind of sharing my life is kind of sharing a little behind the scenes of what being a college coach's wife is like. It's not easy. You're moving around, you're going new places, you're having to like just kind of up your life, move somewhere new, meet new people, get established in a new place, find a new job. So it is really, really tough, but I know this is what he's called to do, and I'm called to be his support system. Yesterday, I went after the football game and got my nails done. I did like a little red color. Just got some more of this spray.
Sometimes love is a dance of dawn, spinning left and twirling through the back door of your heart. Every time I think of you, something happens in that. Every time I try to leave, you I can't pack. Losing track of time.
I quickly just want to kind of show my get unready with me. I guess that's what we call it. My routine before bed. I just washed my face with the CeraVe foaming facial cleanser. If I have a choice, I'm not splurging on face wash. I will put more money into other products. Just really been loving this Paula's Choice exfoliate. I feel like it keeps my like pores clean. It makes me feel nice and tight. So you probably can do this a better way, but I just do like a drop and kind of rub it in. I'm careful around my chin just because my chin gets so dry. So like I honestly don't put a lot on my chin, and then some on my forehead and nose. And I feel like it just gives you a glow. The key is to have a little fan to use in between. Then I have this Snail Mucin powder. Power Excellence. Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. Wow, that was tough. Just a couple pumps. And I just kind of press it in. Bring it down my neck. I'm almost to the last of this. So this is a face mask. It's the Summer Fridays jet lag mask. But if you live in Utah, you know, or anywhere that's like higher elevation, drier climate, your face gets super dry. So I literally use this as my nighttime moisturizer because my eyes water all the time. So I'm just gonna put Aquaphor. Oh, it feels so good. Just like on the corner of my eyes here, just to hold in the moisture. Yeah. Lay's donut for bed. Good night.